I know you're gonna dig this.
Hey guys, happy Sunday. This is what happened, but you weren't here so you missed it. I'm getting started early today. Can you believe it? It's 1:26 right now. And we're going to Granny's as usual. And I'm gonna throw Granny a bone today. She's always asking for veggie pot pie. Because she loves my veggie pot pie. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna make me some veggie pot pie today. It's got carrots, baby carrots, peas, some other veggies. The pearl onions are in the oven right now, the microwave oven heating up. I'm making my own veggie gravy. It's gonna be a double crust. It's gonna be delightful. So that's where I am. I got no makeup on right now because I'm about to get ready to go in the pool. And hopefully I can get this together and in the toaster so that that's cooking away while I'm outside enjoying the pool. Come in, get ready, and we'll be all ready to go. Dinner be ready to go. We might actually get out of here on time today, so that would be a miracle. Oh my God, is that Rosie the Riveter?
No, it's Lucy Ricardo.
Oh, Candy Factory or...
Yeah.
That's so cute. I love the way you did the bun. Good job, Maddie.
Well,
or should I say Lucy?
You have to imagine my hair in curlers up here.
Oh. I love it. I don't care. I love it. Alright, honey. Give me the official tasty taste on the veggie pot pie. Alright. Alright, Granny. Now that you saw all the pictures from Maddie's new camera, what do you think?
Beautiful. I love them all.
You did a good job, Rosie the Riveter.
I really did. I like that.
Granny's impressed, so that says something.
Oh, I forgot to ask Anne-Marie about when we were going to have Maddie's dinners, then I'll get to you.
Maddie's party should be every week. No. Maddie has a party every day. It's called life.
Yeah, well, that's a weekend, but that's going to be, you know...
All right, Granny, let's not bore everyone with that. Oh, hello, Rosie the Riveter. It's now 10:16. We just got home from Granny's. And we are still yet to watch Big Brother, the broadcast show. And you got to do the spoiler. We got home late. So we need a little vitamin F in the form of dog nuts. I thought it was vitamin fart.
Vitamin fat.
Oh, okay. Is that really what it means?
No, what? I don't even know what you're talking about.
On
I thought you were joking.
No, on Ren and Stimpy, there used to be Powdered Toast Man, and he was like enriched with vitamin F, and I always thought it meant like vitamin fart.
I just thought you were joking.
No, it was like a thing. There obviously is no vitamin F, but it was in a cartoon. Remember Ren and Stimpy, guys, on Nickelodeon? Nickelodeon! Nick's for kids! Vitamin F.
Story about what Sean does in the car on the way to Granny's
Tell us.
every week.
What does he do?
He
That was
dozes off
delectable, by the way.
every week.
Is that true, Sean?
But then he'll wake up and be like, and then after that, he sings some of the old classic Nickelodeon songs.
Intro, outros.
Like,
Nickelodeon. Nick's for kids.
every week.
And Nick. Opera Man, Nickelodeon. Or Opera Woman with the orange hair, because Nickelodeon's orange, like cone bones. Like his orange blimp, which I did see, by the way, in Montgomery
Is that your claim
one
to
time.
fame?
Yes, that's my claim to fame. I saw the Conan blimp when I was driving home from work one day in Montgomery. And I went to take a picture, and then I realized I shouldn't be doing that while I was driving, and there was nowhere to pull over, so I couldn't do it. And then I thought, wow, I have to go to the supermarket, so
Stop!
it was gone when I came back. Sorry for the annoying voice. Want to hear the most annoying sound in the world? I know everyone's thinking it's your voice, so just shut up. Am I right? You laughed because it's true. Yeah.
I'm just really tired.
Yes, Rosie.
I'm just really tired.
She works hard for the money.
Alright, that's enough.
So hard for it, honey. I want nuts.
I don't. You can.
Thank you. Thank you for permission to have nuts. He just ate dinner. Hi. Obviously, there wasn't that much footage today because we were doing a lot of running around. We were at Granny's house and it was very hot because Granny doesn't have air conditioning. And we stayed late and it was dark. I'll put it away. Just, we gotta do Big Brother now. We might have some more footage. Will we have more footage?
No.
No. I'll have more footage tomorrow. I'll do something interesting, I promise. I promise. Maybe I'll make a new recipe or something.
I'm not gonna make it.
I know. She's already cranky and overtired. And we have to watch the show. Then she has to do a... Look at what a good girl you are. You went and got the nuts. What a good girl. She's such a good... Whoa, I'm like getting woozy here. It's hot. And it's going to be super hot. We were going to take Granny to the dentist this week. But I think we might have to cancel the appointment because it's just going to be too hot to take Granny out. Granny is like a delicate flower. She wilts when it gets above 90. So... I don't know, we're gonna see what's gonna happen. But anyway, thanks for watching. Right? Until next time.
Much love.